When you are visiting Georgia's Jekyll Island or St. Simon's Island, then I cannot recommend enough checking out Dolphin tours of Jekyll Island. My wife and I and 2 young kids just experienced this dolphin tour, so I wanted to share with you everything that you need to know about the tours and why it needs to be a part of your itinerary. Welcome to Travel Guides USA. My name is Brandon, and my family and I just got back from our first ever trip to Jekyll Island. And trust me when I say this will not be our last visit. Our kids, 6 and 3, loved everything about the island, from Driftwood Beach, our pool, to the beautiful beaches. But we all agree that our favorite memory out of our trip was taking the 90-minute dolphin tour, and I am sure that this will also be one of your favorite memories when you're visiting this part of southern Georgia. Rated as the #1 tour on Jekyll, and once you experience it, trust me, you're going to know why. This tour is all about fun, history, and of course the dolphins. Before our tour even started, we kind of just thought we'd see a lot of dolphins and that's about it. But to our surprise, we learned a whole lot about things that we did not know about the island, the dolphins, and the history of one of America's most underrated vacation spots. Our tour had 2 different guides and they were fantastic. The boat was Coast Guard certified and holds 49 passengers. You will find a small clean bathroom on board and a sun cover protecting you during those hot sunny days. While on the boat, we were able to see a bunch of dolphins, but the crazy thing is, we saw them from afar and very up close. That was unexpected for sure. My kids absolutely loved seeing the dolphins off of each side of the boat. The 90-minute tour took us on an adventure along the intercoastal waterway and was really beautiful from start to finish. We were able to take in one-of-a-kind views of the must-see St. Andrew's Beach. Our boat was at capacity, but that did not matter because when the boat wasn't in motion, you were able to get up and move around the boat to find the best viewing spot for the dolphins. This fully narrated dolphin and sightseeing tour allows you to watch them feed, play, and glide through their natural habitat while learning fascinating facts about their social behavior, feeding habits, and more. This attraction is perfect for all ages and is so worth the $35 per adult price and the $25 cost for kids ages 4 through 15. If you are traveling with anyone 3 and under, then I have great news. They are free. The whole experience took around 2 hours, and I cannot recommend enough getting to the dock, which is located right at the historic Jekyll Wharf, at least 30 minutes before the tour starts. This will allow you to check in, board the boat, and get a great spot on the boat since there is no assigned seating. Our tour was at 2 p.m. and was perfect for what we wanted. However, the next time we visit Jekyll Island, we will be checking out the sunset tour. Seeing dolphins at the same time as a beautiful sunset will be a great way to end your fun-filled day exploring Jekyll Island. As you can see, my kids love this tour as much as my wife and I did. In fact, there is a reason why the dolphin tours of Jekyll Island have been around for years and offers a stellar 4.9 out of 5 rating on Google. So if you're on the fence about going on this tour, I really hope this video has helped you make your decision because it should be a yes. With that being said, check out the showcase video at the bottom of your screen where I share with you the top 10 best family beach destinations that you're going to find here in America, including Jekyll Island. So have you ever visited Jekyll Island before? If so, what's your favorite part? You know what to do, let me know in the comments. This is Travel Guides USA. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to smile today, be adventurous, and never stop traveling.